So I'm Justin, professional dryer vent cleaner, and I want to show you the difference between the dryer vent transition vent. This is the most important part of the dryer vent because this is what connects your dryer to the structure of your house. So if you have one that is not flame resistant or not durable, then this could be very dangerous to your home. And there is only one that I recommend, and that is DryerFlex. You get a 4-foot or an 8-foot one, and these ones are flame resistant, tear resistant, crush resistant, the best ones that you can get. And I'm going to show you the difference between all of these. So this is the most common one you are going to see. This is a metal foil vent. If you look at the back of your dryer, it's going to clearly say, do not use a metal foil vent. And this is the one that they give you when you get your dryer usually. And the reason why these ones are dangerous is, number one, they're not flame resistant. So if you take a flame up to this one, I'm just going to do some of these edges here. You could see it starting to burn right away. And you get that nasty black smoke, which is really dangerous, and this could cause you to have a dryer fire. So the next one that you may have is going to be this one. This is a metal vent. It may look better, but these ones are typically made out of like almost tinfoil. If you push it in, it could crush. If you start pulling too much, the whole thing unravels. These ones are really not good. They could crush. There could be holes in them. Although they are more flame resistant than these ones, they are still not the ones you want. Now, the one that you want is going to be this, DryerFlex. And if you look quickly, they may look like they're exactly the same. But when you open this one versus when you open a DryerFlex, you're going to see the difference right away. Number one is it's more durable. They don't dent like these ones do. You push it in, it dents. This one, it'll squeeze in, but it will still keep the shape, and then you could put it back to the shape you want. These ones compact all the way down. This is a 4-foot, compacts all the way down, and then expands a lot. These ones over here, if you need a lot of length on your dryer, then you're not going to be able to push your dryer back to where it goes most of the time. It's a tight fit. So these ones do not compact as much. The next thing is the inside is super smooth. So a lot of time the lint will stick to this part inside here, these kind of grooves. They catch the lint and then it builds up and then your clothes don't dry. So these ones are much smoother. They're flexible but strong. So I would definitely recommend going with DryerFlex. And if you want to see how to install these correctly, check out this video over here. Thank you.